Welcome. We are solving question from GATE 2015 Electrical Engineering branch. So this is the circuit which is given to us, and this is the input voltage VI equal to VI angle 0. So input voltage is a phasor. Input voltage is represented as a phasor with magnitude VI and angle 0 degree. And output voltage V naught is also represented as a phasor with magnitude V naught and phase angle delta. So we have to find the phase angle relationship between the output voltage and the input voltage. Okay, so this is the question. Value of R is given as 1 kilo ohm, value of C is given as 1 microfarad. So let this be Vy, let this be Vy, let this be Vx. So Vi equal to Vx minus Vy. Okay, and this is the your inverting terminal, this is your non-inverting terminal, let its voltage be Va. This is the inverting terminal, let this voltage be Vb. Okay, so I have assumed that the voltage of non-inverting terminal is Va and voltage of inverting terminal is Vb. So obviously virtual ground concept is applicable here because it is a negative feedback. This resistance is giving you negative feedback, so Va has to be equal to Vb. By virtual ground concept, Va has to be equal to Vb. So this is equation first and this is equation second. So first let us find out voltage of Va. So Va, by voltage divider rule, Va equal to R upon R plus 1 by Sc dot Vy. Okay, so we can write Va equal to R S SRC upon SRC plus 1 dot Vy. So this is the third equation. So I am writing it here. Va equal to SRC upon SRC plus 1 into Vy, where Vy is this voltage. So now we will find the value of voltage Vx. So apply KVL here. So Vb, apply Kirchhoff current law here. So obviously this current which is going inside the op-amp terminal has to be 0. So this current Vb minus Vx upon 1 upon Sc plus Vb minus V naught upon R equal to 0. So this we can write it as Sc Vb minus Vx plus Vb minus V naught upon R equal to 0. So taking LCM, so R will multiply here. So S R C Vb minus Vx plus Vb minus V naught equal to 0. So Vb SRC plus 1 equal to SRC Vx plus V0. So Vb equal to SRC Vx plus V0 upon this term SRC plus 1. So this is the value of Vb. So by this equation Va has to be equal to Vb. So I am substituting value of Va here. So SRC upon SRC plus 1 Vy. So SRC upon both SRC plus 1 in the denominator will get cancelled. So we will get V naught equal to SRC Vy minus Vx and Vi equal to Vx minus Vy. So we can write it here as V naught equal to minus SRC into Vi. Minus SRC into Va. So this is the relationship between your output voltage and the input voltage. So this minus we can again write it as here V naught equal to minus in place of s we can write j omega RC VI. So minus sign means 180-degree phase shift and J sign means 90-degree phase shift. So total phase shift is 270-degree or 3 pi by 2. So 270-degree 3 pi by 2, or we can say minus pi by 2. So we can say the phase shift is 3 pi by 2, or in other words we can say the phase shift is minus pi by 2. So 4 options were given, so option D is correct. So the magnitude of V naught is equal to V naught, we can write it as omega RC VI. This is the magnitude of V naught, and phase angle is minus pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2. We can say anything. So phase angle is minus of pi by 2. So magnitude, if we have to find, then omega RC into VI, and phase angle is minus pi by 2. So the correct option is minus pi by 2. Thank you. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.